Okay, so this ear-piercing fucking alarm on this phone. I did not turn this fucking thing on. Jesus Christ. Wait, where is it? This... What the... Yeah, this thing. What is that? I didn't turn that on. Jesus, fuck. Fuck you, man. God. This thing is the devil. God. I can't fucking shut it off. Oh, my ears. Okay, this is... I'm doing the Lord's work. It's still going. All right. Let's check it out. See, that's quality. You know, I'm thrilled that that thing is so durable, but it's like fucking demonic. It's an alarm goes off that I didn't set on a phone that was turned off, and it's fucking. Look at this shit. Oh, I think it. Okay, well, it must have. It's running out of power. That's Sonim quality, baby. Jesus Christ.